Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how you can send money to bank in your smartphone. So let's start the video, friends. So first you have to open your Paytm. So here it is. At the top you will see to bank and self account. So you have to click on here, transfer to account, send money to any bank instantly, transfer to UPI ID, self transfer, and this is my account. So here you can see this is the transfer to this self. This is the enter. You have to enter the bank account number and IFSC number and then click on proceed, then enter the amount which you want to pay to it. So friends, this is how you can pay to anyone. Here it is, bank transfers. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.